this year. Our guest of honor for this morning's function is Miss Archana Challa. She is the former head girl of our school. She was the elected head girl during the academic year 2000-2001. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, Archana, you are a member of the Roses House, right? Okay. Archana is a chartered accountant, a gold medalist. She was awarded 8 gold medalists. Let's hear it for our people. She has completed a PGP in Management, Finance and Strategy from the Indian School of Business. She has worked with the World Bank and Biological E Limited. She is currently working as Deputy General Manager, Business Analytics and Controlling at Keva. She is a trained Kuchipudi classical dancer, an avid traveler and blogger. St. Anne's Tarnaka is proud of you, Archana. Thank you for taking time off and consenting to be here with us. And now may I invite Ms. Archana Challa to come forward and share her thoughts and give her message to our young leaders.
A very warm welcome to one and all. Good morning. Loud and clear. Anite. Hear it for the Anite. Yes. Respected Sister Antonia, Headmistress Solicitor, Sister Sylvia, Sister Lily. I really thank you for inviting me to recollect my day. So I'm talking about something that happened 20 years ago. And it's such a nice feeling to come back, to look at y'all, to relive all those memories, the friendship, the bonds that I had shared, the person that has made me today. This 12 years that spent in, St. Anne's will be the longest that you spend at any place. And the bonds that the guidance that teachers give you is unparalleled. So, thank you to Annie Miss for the call 2 weeks ago that made me recollect all these things. To Mangatai Miss, to the teaching staff and the other faculty. When you think about education, why do we need to get up in the morning? Why do we come to school? It's work. Barack Obama had said something which has stayed with me throughout, and I would like to share that with you so that you see the relevance of what we do on a daily basis. If you want to be J.K. Rowling, if you want to become the next writer, you have to finish that English paper. If you want to become the next RBI governor or the World Bank chief or IMF chief, you do need to know that economics. If you want to fight poverty, if you want to change the laws in the country, you need to have an understanding of civics. So there is a lot of evidence for the education and education system that we have. It gives you a chance to explore yourself because each one of us has something different to offer. All of us is not here for the same thing. Education is a chance for you to explore. What do you want to do? What do you want to achieve? And this will allow you to achieve your goals. When we talk about the values that are instilled in St. Anne's, there are so many things that come to mind. Obviously, our motto is pursuing truth. Being honest is that is instilled always in us. And also being fair. We also, realize that the confidence that the teachers have placed in us, that is something that we have to take it and pay forward. These are the small things. And today's theme being leadership, I would like to share one incident that happened during, my days at Head Girl. There are a lot of events that we take part, but Teachers' Day is one day where we all feel that this is our chance to give back to the teachers, right? Because in everything else, you have their guidance, they tell you what to do, you have their support. This is one chance for us to surprise them. During my time in 2000, there were many floods, okay? So on 23rd August, the school was shut down for a period of 10 days. So September 5th was Teachers' Day. We were all having plans that we wanted to do so many events. But the school actually reopened just on September 4th. We just had one day, and actually the principal and the teachers were kind enough to tell us, it's okay if you don't perform, right? It's fine, we will understand because these are very different circumstances. And that's when I remember how my whole team, so this is what is it, while we will have healthy competition between shamrocks, roses, pansies and daffodils, for that day, it didn't matter which group you belong to. This school teaches you that unity, okay? So all of us came together, and as a leader, I believe the good leadership skill is also to identify the right person for the right job. It's not about doing everything yourself. Identifying that right person for the right job, empowering them, giving them the power to execute. So we wanted representation for dances and songs from 2nd class to 10th class onwards. So everybody who volunteered, we trusted them that they will teach the steps and they will give it their best shot. And it was, I like to think of it as a resounding success. I'm sure the teachers also remember it that way. But these are the bonds that when you look back in life, these are the ones that you cherish. You might not remain in touch forever. You will all move on. Most of my group is still in the US. But when I applied for ISB, I just again reached out to one person and she helped me with my MBA application. So these are the bonds that you will make throughout your life. Cherish them, cherish all these memories, because 20 years from now, you might be standing here and this is the memories that make your life, so much more special. And, you're just running around, eating breakfast, going to job. And this coming back is what is, makes you feel, wow. This is my school. This is Annites. I'm so proud to be part of this place, looking at all these wonderful girls, getting ready to achieve it. You already have the skills. You already have the knowledge, which is why you are here. You have such wonderful infrastructure, a wonderful support system, teachers, your parents, who will always be with you throughout the way to help you achieve whatever goal you want to achieve. And I think you should never forget them. You will never forget them, actually. You will always remember them as a part of you. And even if I might share something, whenever people use spell check in computer, I feel I don't have to because I've been taught so well. So these are the things that you remember. And so wish you all the best, Annites. You have it within you to make it big, to become the next Indra Nooyi, J.K. Rowling, whatever you want. You have it within you. Believe in yourself. Be honest. Choose your own path. You need not take a path that has been defined by others. Choose your own path, and yes, you will succeed. God bless you all.
Thank you, Archana, for that very reminiscence of your school years, remembering the little details, and thank you for that very enlightening speech that you gave our young leaders today. We are very happy that you could make it to our school this morning, and as a token of our appreciation for your presence this morning, may I request Sister Antonia to kindly hand over a gift to Miss Archana. Thank you, sister. As is customary every year, our school brings out the school